This is John. Today he'll show us the future of real estate with Domus, where transactions are swift, secure, and seamless. John starts by creating his Domus ID. It's a one-stop digital profile capturing his assets, income, and more, creating a wallet on the blockchain. In the Domus metaverse, John's search for a home in Orlando leads him to 123 Main Street. With its immersive digital twin, John explores every room virtually. Convinced, John decides to inspect the property in person. Horizon Core recognizes John's ID and opens the doors of 123 Main Street, welcoming him as a qualified buyer. After a thorough walkthrough, John's ready to make an offer. The Domus interface simplifies the process, presenting financing options and legal guidance. Within seconds, John's offer is placed. Domus Deed automatically accepts the offer when John's terms match the seller's criteria. The home's digital twin is instantly appraised. Financing is approved, insurance is bound, and the sale concludes. John is now the proud owner. Next, John explores the marketplace. From moving services to tokenized furniture, everything he needs is just a click away. Fast forward 2 years. John's home has been an oasis of joy. But life's changes call for new solutions. John's bond with his home remains strong, yet he yearns to be closer to family. Domus now offers him the flexibility to adapt without selling his cherished home. Leveraging Domus's real-time appraisal, John discovers his home's soaring equity. He's presented with instant financing options or an intriguing alternative, fractionalizing his ownership on the marketplace. Domus empowers John. He opts to sell a portion of his equity, unlocking more value than a traditional loan could offer. His home is prime for short-term rental, promising robust returns. With the sale proceeds, John secures a condo near his family, ensuring comfort and proximity. A simple command to Horizon Core and John's home transitions into a premium short-term rental space, all managed remotely. Horizon Core doesn't just open doors, it personalizes the stay for each renter. Renters arrive to a stocked refrigerator, pre-planned travel itinerary, and digital displays filled with friends and family from their social media feed. The system coordinates everything from maintenance to income distribution, ensuring a hassle-free investment for John and fellow token holders. Domus isn't just transforming real estate, it's reshaping lives. John's story is just the beginning. Welcome to the future of real estate. Welcome to Domus, where every transaction is the beginning of a new story.